So you want to go to the product catalog at the left side of the screen, which will take you to the list of your product, and then click on coupon subpage over here. Then tap on create coupon button at the top right of the screen, and you can start to name your discount coupon, while make sure to choose percentage off over here and enter 100% as the percentage. After that, scroll down to the bottom. Then turn the toggle on the codes to customize your own code. After you are sure with your coupon code, tap on the create coupon button. You are good to go. Just don't forget, when you make a payment link, turning on the option to allow the usage of the promo code. This way, your customer can enter the code that you give to them beforehand or you promote to them. So for example, here on my payment link, my customer can click on Add Promotion Code button. Then they can enter the code that I gave. And there you go, now the price of the product becomes 0. If you somehow cannot apply 100% discount code, then you want to go to the Stripe settings. Scroll down until you see product setting option. Then click on payments. Under the checkout and payment links, you may scroll down until you see the subscription section. So before the subscription page, you may see the selection called no cost orders, and you want to turning on these no cost order settings by clicking on the enable button. After that, you may use the 100% coupon code. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.